Welcome to Super Deals Alert. Today I am sharing with you the top 20 Makita tools built for performance and reliability. From drills to sanders, this list has everything you need to tackle any project with ease. Let's get started. Number 1. Makita DF001DW 3.6V Lithium-Ion 1/4 inch hex screwdriver kit, Teal, 3.6V. Number 2. Makita XFD03Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 1/2 inch driver drill, tool only. Number 3. Makita XDT11Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Impact Driver, tool only. Number 4. Makita DMP180ZX18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Inflator, battery-powered, tool only. Number 5. Makita XOB01Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 5-inch Random Orbit Sander, tool only. Number 6. Makita XVJ03Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Jigsaw, tool only. Number 7. Makita XSS02Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 6.5 inches Circular Saw, tool only. Number 8. Makita XRJ04Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Recipro Saw, tool only, blue. Number 9. Makita XMT03Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Multi-Tool, tool only. Number 10. Makita XRW01Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 3/8 inch/1/4 inch square. Drive ratchet, tool only. Number 11. Makita XAG04Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 4.5 inches/5 inch cutoff/angle grinder, tool only. Number 12. Makita XTR01Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Compact Router. Number 13. Makita XSH03Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless, Cordless 6.5 inches 24T CT Circular Saw, tool only. Number 14. Makita XMT04ZB18V LXT Lithium-Ion Subcompact Brushless, Cordless Starlock Max Multi-Tool, tool only. Number 15. Makita XCU14Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless, Cordless 6-inch Pruning Saw, tool only. Number 16. Makita CT225SYX18V LXT Lithium-Ion Compact Cordless 2-piece. Combo Kit, 1.5 AH. Number 17. Makita CX203SYB18V LXT Lithium-Ion Subcompact Brushless Cordless 2-piece. Combo Kit, 1.5 AH. Number 18. Makita XPK01Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 3.25 inch Planer, tool only. Number 19. Makita XNB02Z18V LXT Straight Finish Nailer, 16 gauge, 2.5 inches. Number 20. Makita XWT08Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless High Torque 1/2 inch Square. Drive Impact Wrench, tool only. The links to these products are in the description box. Please note, all deals and regular price are subject to change at any time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!